Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Into this video, I am making this very delicious, very flavorful chimichurri roasted chicken. If you're not a big fan of turkey like myself, this is your sign to make this chicken. I'm excited. If you're ready, let's get started right now. The mayo helps to make the chicken moist. If you are not a big fan of mayo, you can use butter. The chicken is clean and ready to go. I used some vinegar and lime to clean the chicken. Next, I am adding the mayo and seasoning to the chicken. I rub the mayo and seasoning all over the chicken like this. This is what the chicken is looking like right out of the oven. All I have to do is add the chimichurri to the chicken and it's eat time. This is what the chimichurri is looking like after a few hours. It was juicy and so flavorful. This chicken was so satisfying. You can enjoy this with your favorite side dish, mashed potato, salad, or rice. I had so much fun roasting this chicken. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.